Hi everyone, welcome to Light Moses. I'm Seth, here to introduce to you the all-new Light Moses dual beam LED headlight bulbs conversion kit. As an industry-leading brand, we have been perfecting dual beam technology at Light Moses. Each bulb features 6 pieces of original American CREE chip display, which provides a much clearer quality of light. Each set provides 10,000 lumen ultra-high brightness with 6,000K skywhite color and a 50,000 hour lifespan to give you the ultimate driving experience. If you have the H11, 9005 or HB3, 9006 or HB4, or the 9012 model, first, twist and remove the old halogen bulb from the lamp deck. Next, insert your new Light Moses bulb into the deck, align the notches, twist, and secure. Next, connect the bulb to the driver. Lock it in tight. Then, connect the driver to the power line of your car. We just installed the dual beam LED headlight bulbs into the vehicle here. As we can see, the bulbs offer great brightness, sky white color, and the light goes a great distance. Thank you for your interest in Light Moses.